Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Bilik cukup, makan cukup. It's very healing. Had a great time.
It looks like Bali.
There's lots of insects.
Best escapades ever.
Pretty view.
We saw some of the best dance moves.
Everyone's so nice here.
I've never had a company trip before.
Managed to spend a lot of time with them.
Do more.
Hi guys, welcome to Farouk's channel. Mana Farouk pun tak tahu.
Hello guys, I'm back with another vlog. Sekarang ni aku on the way pergi Janda Baik dengan Abel Rizwan. Destinasi yang dituju ialah Don Haven. Don Haven ni aku sebenarnya dah pernah pergi masa tahun 2019 dulu sebelum Covid. Kau bila last pergi Janda Baik?
Oi, lama dah. 2017 aku rasa.
2017?
2017.
6 tahun dah.
Yes.
Kau buat apa dalam tu?
Saja lah mandi-mandi sungai dengan kawan-kawan, pergi hiking. Kalau hiking tu memang trading memang penuh dengan pacat. Kalau nak merasa pacat, bolehlah try.
Okay, nanti jumpa kat sana. Yeah baby, kita dah sampai dekat Don Haven. So this is the main entrance. Nampak tu, Don Haven. Bukan Heaven. Haven.
Oh okay. Yeah. Oh okay.
Jom kita pergi masuk bilik dulu. Okay, perempuan-perempuan semua bilik dekat atas, yang dekat tepi-tepi pool tu. Orang lelaki kita bilik bawah lah. Sebab tempat ni besar gila. This is gonna be my room for today. Assalamualaikum. Ui, cantiknya. Macam ada satu rumah lagi kat bawah ni. Nampak siap ada ruang tamu semua. Ui, this is classic. TV, petak tebal dalam rumah ni. Aku tak tahu ada berapa bilik je Tengok. Ni ada satu bilik. Ini bilik dengan katil queen. And then kita ada toilet. And then kita ada bunk bed. Ni 6 orang boleh masuk. Satu, ni satu bunk bed, 2 bunk bed, 3 bunk bed. Ada bilik lagi ke? Mak ai. Damn. Ni satu bilik dengan king size. Bilik pengantin. Nampak tu. Aku selak je nampak ada meja-meja makan. Lepas tu ada tasik kat sebelah tu. Tak tahu nampak ke tak. Nice view kan. Sebab tu lah bilik ni terbaik. Okay, aku end up dengan bilik ni king size bed. Bilik pengantin. Tapi ni lah pengantin aku. This is my pengantin. Okay. Off camera. So Don Haven ni, dia satu villa yang besar dengan banyak rumah-rumah, macam rumah mini tau. Ada rumah kat atas, dekat pool tu. Lepas tu macam sebelah tasik tu pun ada macam rumah kecil juga. Okay, jom kita buat some house tour. Okay, first masuk-masuknya dia akan ada macam ini, pintu gerbang. Dan bila masuk sini, you'll be greeted with this mini fountain. Kolam kecil macam tu. Okay, and then kita pergi sini. This is the main entrance. Inilah ruang utama dia. Itu, that's the pool. Kita masuk, this is the living room. Kita ada one living room here. And then another one is here. Tempat ni memang cantik. Just look at the roof up there. It's really nice. And then kita jalan. Ni kita ada macam ruang untuk duduk. And also a study room. The landscape, I think this is the toilet. And then here comes the kitchen. This is a full-fledged kitchen, sangat besar. Kiri kanan ada. Ni pun there's another toilet if I'm not mistaken. And then yes ada. Ni semua all the rooms lah. All the rooms. Dapur lagi. And then ini macam ruang laundry. Okay, jom kita tengok pool pula. So stepping out here, this is the pool area and the outer lounge. So this is the pool, it's really nice, it's quite big. Ni dekat sini dia ada 2 lagi bilik. Ada banyak gila bilik lah. Kat sini ada bilik. Lepas tu dekat bawah tu ada bilik. Kat sana ada bilik. Yang ni macam we go down. Ni ada lagi satu macam bilik dengan bilik air dia sendirilah. Bilik budak lelaki semua dekat bawah. Kat sana pun ada kawasan yang sangat-sangat besar, ada kebun apa semua ni. Diorang ni macam baru balik dari mana lah. Hello. Ada apa kat sana?
Ada, nothing.
Tak ada apa-apa lah. It's just kebun lah.
Yes.
Okay.
Later that night.
Alright, baru lepas makan. It's only 8:25. Tapi kau tengok budak-budak ni.
Your space.
Not like smooth lah.
No.
This guy's moves is like another level lah.
Weh, win gila tu. Alright, diorang nak pasang fireworks. So aku tengah standby with my drone here sebab nak try capture the fireworks daripada atas.
3 hours later.
Akhirnya dapat juga terbang, tapi very limited. Ni diorang nak bakar fireworks, and then we'll see how it goes lah. Bising gila. Sekarang baru 9.20. Kita baru nak start main game.
What?
Go!
2, 3.
It's a punishment.
Are you ready?
Hold your breath.
Just.
One, two, just.
Eliminated
Bro,
entire team.
hantar kau seorang je bro.
Yeah bro.
Tapau 5 in a row settle eh.
Yeah bro.
Okay, now it's
That's all.
Your punishment.
You count. 1, 2, 3.
Bawa dia.
Later.
Okay, team yang menang tadi tengah main second game. Siapa menang game ni dia akan jadi the ultimate winner. They are playing this.
You guys talented.
You are damn good.
Wow.
Skillful lah. So skillful lah. Oh man.
Okay.
Only for me and Agu. The money only for me and Agu. Because my team ditched me.
Yeah, dapat duit.
Terima kasih. Mesti kau balik lagi.
Yeah, dapat duit. Dapat duit. Oh, 50 each ah. Oh, not bad.
Soon after.
Pakai seluar jean, gua pakai seluar mamba. Kan gua dah cakap gua Kan gua dah cakap gua Kan gua dah cakap gua. Okay.
next morning.
Alright, I'm all dressed up in white. Dah packing, dah mandi, dah ready nak balik. Tapi sebelum balik, kita dengar dulu sepatah dua kata.
It's really nice to have everyone together playing, and especially the board games, and everyone get crazy.
Oh yeah,
I
last
think
night
thanks
board
to
game.
Chris, Myra, and Bella for organizing this. Good job.
Yeah, it was
Do
fun.
more.
Yeah, we need to have more.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Thank you to the management bagi budget besar for us to chillax and have an escapade here. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you, Mukris, for finding this place.
Hello, so great to see everyone again. Yeah, but we're all leaving now, so sad. Had a great time. Thank you, C27.
Are you joining us back?
I will come see you every Tuesday.
I've never had a company trip before. It's amazing to hang out with colleagues outside of work. So thank you, C27.
Okay, Fazil, as a CEO, how are you feeling right now?
Pretty awesome. Got to talk to everyone. Haven't met some of the people in the company. Managed to spend a lot of time with them. Peace.
Hi, bye guys. I had fun. Thanks for organizing this company trip. Yeah, it looks like Bali.
Ya kan, memang macam Bali kan.
Yeah.
This is really nice.
Betul.
I
Yeah.
hope you guys had fun.
Yeah.
Drive safe.
See you tomorrow, Farouk.
Hola, tomorrow work. Esok kerja. Back to reality, okay?
It's very warm, but the house is nice. There's lots of insects. Nature is everywhere, and the human nature is also on display lah sebab cawa.
Kau very skilled
It was fun lah. It was fun. Next time, more people should come because I had a room entirely to myself. Sunyi though.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. You didn't tell me.
It's very warm here. We should do it higher in the mountains next time so that it's a lot cooler. But overall, it was really fun.
What's up, guys? So far, the staycation been so good. Overall, yeah, I enjoyed it. Everyone's so nice here. We have the DJ. So yeah.
The organizer did an amazing job. I mean, look at this guy. Man of the year. Yeah. We were allowed to make a lot of noise. We were allowed to sell fireworks. Yeah, and we saw some of the best dance moves. It's not where the party is sometimes, it's who the party is with.
Yeah.
No lah, sentimental way lah.
Hi, this is Faris, your favorite DJ. No, I think this is by far the best escapades ever for C27, and I just hope the party will get wilder and crazier. See you guys.
Hi. This staycation was so much fun. Got to hang with the gang. And pretty views. Okay, bye. Chris, you do.
That concludes the staycation. Had a good time, Abby.
Very good time.
Say bye, guys.
It was such a delightful experience for us to be together without talking about work. So it is nice.
Thank you, C27. Walaupun ada tak kerja sini, it was nice. Everyone's nice. Bilik cukup, makan cukup, everyone cukup.
Apa cukup?
Tak elok cakap benda macam tu lah. Depan kamera tak boleh tau. But thank you. Goodbye everyone. Bye. Tibat.
Hi.
Kita
Kita orang nak balik dah. So, thank you so much C27 for sponsor kita orang for our company staycation. This is our first ever company staycation. Hopefully, ada soon.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much for the trip. I really have fun. It's very healing and we really enjoy ourselves. Bye. See you again.
Memang healing. Okay, I guess that's all for this vlog. Thank you everyone sebab dah bagi sepatah dua kata. Semua orang jadi vlogger ya tadi. Alright, kalau suka video ni, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. This is Mukris.
Selamat datang ke Don Villa.
Don Heaven. Aduh. Baru masuk kamera dah salah lah.
Hey, Kelantan.
Hey, what's wrong with Kelantan, huh? What's wrong with Kelantan, huh?
Hi guys, welcome to Farouk's channel. Mana Farouk pun tak tahu. Say hi everyone. Hi.
This is such a delightful event to go out together, since we always work together, but we never really like hang out with each other. So here we have our CEO Fazil.
Hi.
Thank you for the tea.
No worries.
We're going to watch fireworks at night, and now it's 8:50. This is our YouTube owner Farouk setting up the the drone. It's okay though. Things happen. So yeah, let's end it now. Bye bye. See you on the next episode with my. Wait, what should I vlog actually? Hi.